teslabot can be used by any company that needs a more cost-effective production line. Tesla has focused on energy-efficient design to prolong the battery life, making it practical for full-day operation. Optimus is a robotic welding device. Tesla emphasizes safety, so Optimus is programmed to move slowly around humans and maintain a balanced, controlled gait to avoid accidents. Using the AI developed for Tesla's full self-driving system, Optimus has high-level navigation and decision-making skills, allowing it to autonomously perform routine tasks like lifting, carrying, and simple tool usage. In the long term, Tesla envisions Optimus assisting with household chores, like cleaning, cooking, or basic caregiving, though these applications are still in development stages. Tesla Optimus represents a promising move toward mainstream robotics. Tesla aims to make Optimus affordable and practical for widespread use, potentially filling labor gaps in industries and supporting home automation needs.